Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable external mic sound for recording screen in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings here. Then scroll down and find shortcuts and accessibility. Just tap on that. Here you go to click on S capture and here find record microphone audio. Okay, this is called external mic audio, that is sound from external mic will be recorded if you turn on this button. Yes, above this you will find record system audio. This is called internal sound. If you would like to get both internal sound and external mic sound, you should keep these two options turned on. Otherwise, turn it off system audio, so only external sound, that is mic sound, will be recorded while you do screen recording. In this way, you can easily enable mic sound, that is external sound in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G while you do screen recording. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.